And then we're going to show you how much Norwegian Isabella is able to do now. Let's tell them, Isabella. What's that? En. Two. That's good. Tre. And that is? Say it loud. Fire. Fem. That's good. Very good, Isabella.
That's one of her favorite ones.
Yeah.
Fem.
Hmm?
You want to be on Uncle Runar's lap? Yeah, that's nice.
Can you say any more words? Hei. Ha det. Well, she's going to speak Norwegian in a very short time, I think.